Hey YouTube fans, Alex K77 coming at you tonight, or this evening, or, well, not this morning. I highly doubt I have any subscribers that would be calling this morning right now, but still. How you doing? It's roughly, oh, not roughly, it is 11:10 on July 7th, 2012, and well, it's pretty boring right now, actually, because I am by myself. I was just listening to the radio on my iPad, so there's my entertainment. And earlier tonight, I decided, hey, I'm going to bike to Stuart, which is about half an hour by car, but by bike I found out it was about 2 hours. And it poured. I'm talking rain, and there was thunder and a little lightning. It was dark. But it was fine, because I went to eat some food, saw a very pretty girl, and everything turned out alright, because on my way back, my parents called me and was like, hey, it's gonna be raining pretty hard that way in maybe half an hour, so we're gonna come get you now. Worked out for the best. As for the channel, well, I haven't gotten any comments from anyone yet, and I think that might be partly my fault. I might not have the settings right to allow comments, so I'm just gonna be fiddling with that, but if you can comment, please do so, because I really don't know what else to talk about on the channel. I haven't really started doing any of the stuff that I want to, like, there's a rant I want to do about the difference between lions and tigers. There's a Mentos in Diet Coke or regular Coke video that I want to get to once I actually purchase said materials, and a new secret section coming up hopefully in a few weeks. It should be a lot of fun. So, what's up with you guys? I guess I already asked that with the comment. Oh, what do you know? My zombies are ready. Yay! Anyway, I guess I already asked that with the comments, but I'm just gonna put a question out to you guys. What music do you like to listen to? What music do you turn on the radio and the second you hear it, you're like, oh, I'm so glad I turned on the radio? Because I know that's happened to me a couple times. I turn on the radio and I automatically hear a song and it's like, oh yeah, so glad I turned on the radio to my iPod, because my iPod doesn't have this thing, but the radio does. Other songs I turn on and I'm like, oh, this song. Click, turn it off. But for the most part, I listen to good stations, so it's all good. So, good question. What are some hopeful Comic-Con hits? Because in October, a friend of mine and I are going down to our province's capital, which is Halifax, and they have a Comic-Con there. So, in preparation for hopefully my trip to California next summer and going to California Comic-Con, which is going to be huge, the Halifax Comic-Con is just kind of new, so I would love some good tips on, like, what to do, what not to do, basically the do's and don'ts of a Comic-Con. I know costumes are basically a do, because, well, Comic-Con, comic, convention, it just makes sense. So, if you can, I really hope you can, and I really hope you do, please leave a comment below about what you do at Comic-Con. Because like I said, I am no freaking clue. It's my first one ever, and I'm blanking. I need help. Alright, well, yeah, 5 minutes, not bad. Alright, well, that's all for me tonight. If you want to check out any more of my videos, they're all up on my channel. And again, please leave comments. I wanna get some feedback from you guys. Let me know if you think my videos are cool, if you think they're lame, how can I improve them. Just help me out, guys, please. Alright, I'm out. Arrivederci. Sayonara. Ciao.